Hi, Trevor Cashin here. We're here at Hartsfield Jackson International Airport. You in the summer train again. We're going to Watermood. It's a letter C here.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
I know what it's saying right now. Okay, let's go to
The
that.
next stop is for A gates. A as in Alpha.
T, T as a tile. I don't know what's going on. A is an apple. My gosh. When reminds me of something. Whatever, yo. Fine. Whatever, we're talking about this. It's gonna be fine. And let me try it.
Please hold on. This train is
See better
stopping.
stuff? You turn the other way.
Yeah, I know that.
As you exit.
Okay. A gates. A gates. The door of the way. Yeah. Okay.
He's focusing on himself, but
thank
you're
God.
not.
The next
Hallway
stop
is
is
T.
for B gates.
And
Alright, we're
A
going
is
to
As
C.
in Bravo.
B is a Bravo. Man. I
Man.
guess not.
Here, turn around.
I should not ask me to do it. What are you doing?
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for B gates. B as in Bravo.
Oh boy, what's right away? It's not safe. How about a little bit? And not limited as usual. And then, yeah.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and wash your stuff as you exit.
It's a three gates. And it's red on it. There's red on here. There's a three. Is it Bravo? That's not it. You have to go to the C.
Is for C gates. C as in Charlie.
C
That's
is
not
for
it.
Charlie. Oh my gosh. C as a Charlie? I don't care. Wow. I guess I'm sure I can. There's much better ways you can do.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
Yeah, I bet you what are going to do. It's better. It's first speed. You just don't know. Wait,
C as in Charlie.
as a Charlie, yes. That's what I go to. And then there's the C. I do not like it very much. It's special. There's the C gates. And what about you? It's good to be helpful in church. We have to pay attention to what you're doing. And it's good to be helpful. Whoa.
Please hold on. This train is stopping.
Okay,
Please collect
please
your
hold it
belongings
hold
and wash your stuff as you
So
exit.
this, okay. Please hold on, and I get the very thing. It's very stopping as you know.
Okay, this
So
is
here we are, C gates, yay! So I'm doing.
Next stop
Wait it.
is for D gates. D as in David.
D is a demon. No, thank you. We're not going anywhere. We're going to C gates. That's where we're going. Well, thanks for watching us. Bye bye.